Telmo!
Hello!
Where were you?
I was just brushing my teeth.
All right.
Yeah, you need to remember to brush your teeth 3 times a day.
And remember that sugar is not good for your teeth. That's why Telmo and I only have a sweet dessert once a week.
Let's get started.
Hello!
I am Telmo.
And I'm Tula. We are the little cooks. Today, we're going to make...
Potatoes with pasta sunglasses.
No, Telmo, you can't eat sunglasses.
All right, but they can be chocolate sunglasses.
Better not, Telmo.
All right, we can make, let me think.
Telmo...
I've got it!
Here we go.
A television with cream and a few wild cherries.
Telmo, perhaps I should say the recipe.
Hold on, because I've got it.
Let's see.
We'll make a marvelous and spectacular jam and cake roll.
That's it.
And the ingredients we need are paper and pencil, Tula.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okie dokie. The ingredients we need are eggs,
Sugar,
flour,
strawberry marmalade,
shredded coconut,
and whipped cream.
Let's get started.
To begin with, we grab a bowl and 4 eggs.
And we separate the whites from the yolks.
Do you know how to do it? It's very easy.
It's super easy. Like this.
I'll show them instead, Telmo.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I don't have all my superpowers activated today.
To separate the whites from the yolks, first we'll need to grab another bowl to use. We grab the egg, we give it a little hit against the edge, and we carefully open it over the bowl. And now, little by little, we pass the yolk from one side to the other, and very carefully, while letting the whites fall into the bowl. But don't let the yolks fall in.
I know how to do it too. Oops. Hey, it's not my fault. It's my superpowers. They're not fully activated.
Yeah. Anyways, my dear cooks, you see this is ready. When we see that all the whites have fallen in, we can put the yolk in the other bowl. That's it.
All right, now we add 2 spoons of sugar in the bowl where Tula has put the yolks. And we mix it together.
While Telmo mixes the sugar and the egg yolks, I'm going to beat the whites until they are snowy white.
Tula, what does that mean?
That means that we need to beat them for a little while until they look like snow. And we can't stop until they're very foamy. Otherwise, they won't turn out well. They have to be super, super foamy.
As though it was soap.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, something like that.
My stuff is ready. How's the snow coming, Tula?
It's almost ready too. Look.
How cool.
Now we add 10 spoons of sugar and we mix it.
All right.
And now we can add the egg yolks.
Okie dokie.
And now I'll add the flour. 7 tablespoons of flour.
I'll prepare the tray and I'll cover it with a baking paper. That's it!
We'll put the mixture inside the tray.
And we stick it inside the oven, which has been turned on by our grown-up.
But to put it inside the oven, we also need our grown-up to help us because the oven is very hot and we might get burned. Grown-up!
Oh, yeah.
Can you put the batter in the oven for us, please? We'll let it bake for about 8 minutes at 315 degrees. Look how good it turned out. We've let it cool down for a little while so we don't get burned. Now we can make delicious jam and cake roll with it.
The cream!
That's it. Now we'll add a layer of whipped cream.
This is so fun.
Good. Now we have to roll it up carefully. We need to do it very carefully so that the cream doesn't drip out of the sides.
I will add the marmalade.
All right.
This is looking delicious.
Yep.
It's ready.
And now the shredded coconut. That's it.
Cool. Now it's time for our fellow little cooks to hear the ingredients for the recipe once again.
Ingredients to make a jam and cake roll: 4 eggs, 3½ ounces of sugar, 3½ ounces of flour, 5.30 ounces of strawberry marmalade, a handful of shredded coconut, and 7 ounces of whipped cream.
This is so yummy.
And the best thing, my little cooks, is that instead of whipped cream, you can add cake icing.
Or chocolate.
And instead of marmalade, you can add buttercream.
Or more chocolate. And as the French love to say, bon appetit.
Which means enjoy the meal. Goodbye.